Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay May 25, 2026 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong May 25, 2026 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, May 25, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na mabasan para sa 2 PM draw ng 3D Lotto. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for May 25, 2026, Monday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, May 25, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of May 25, 2026, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.